going on, Soup? Chilling, chilling. Huh?
Looking it back up?
Yeah,
Oh shit, they finished already?
that's what they said.
No, I went earlier and I saw them. It was one of the last things.
And they hit me at 3 o'clock saying they're done to come over here and get it started. So I'm gonna have to wire this whole shit up right now.
The boiler number one, when they came, started buzzing. Bam, 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 bam. So I told you, like I said, with the light is at the other side of the board, I cleaned that.
Yeah, and it stopped?
And then I reset it, and then it turned on to stop. I haven't heard it again.
All right. I'll check it out.
Beep, beep. Twice. It beat twice, then it stopped. I'm like, what the fuck? I never heard it do that before.
While I'm here, I'll check it out.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Thank you.
Welcome back, my heroes. Oh, they sending me to a building. I had to unwire this DE burner. It's a big boy, but I unwired it another day, and you're sending me back to wire it back up. Gotta put the veins all together, and then I guess I'll start it up and see if everything goes well. I don't know if it will,
If I don't, then I'll just get it from the
but it's only one way to find out. Let's see if I did a good job, and let's see if all the wires go back well. You know why? Because it's Boiler Heroes.
Obviously, October 1st is about
right around the corner. Hey, oh, my fault, bro. Thank you, bro.
Yeah, if you can.
Yeah.
Put the ladder over there, like when I had a ride and I cleaned it.
Beautiful.
Stop that damn shit.
They called it in.
Yeah, they definitely have to.
Said that
That's all garbage.
ever since I took those wires off, they did the job they needed to.
Appreciate you, bro.
Now the wires gotta go back.
Call you if anything. Thank you, bro.
I gotta put all the wires back where
Gotcha.
I took them from.
Thank you, man.
I look around, see what's going on. They didn't change the butterfly valve. And my high fire switch looks kinda janky. Let me see if I can fix it a little bit. All I really gotta do is bend it back. That shouldn't be a problem. I'm looking around, seeing all the work they did. Let me get my chair out. Get ready, do this wiring thing. Get comfortable.
Situated.
Bring the toolbox closer so we don't have to stretch out. You damn right I need a flashlight for this. Gotta see what I'm doing. I wrote everything down, so it shouldn't be too difficult. There goes the paper right there.
We're gonna start with the pink one.
All I gotta do is put everything back where I took it from. Simple, right?
So right now, I'll check all this out. Right. Inside there. Right. Oh, it's gonna be a bitch. All right, let's do it like that.
Gotta separate all of them. Start putting them back in easy.
Now the goal is to get it wired exactly how it was, start it up, and let it fire without any complications. But who knows, we might run into complications.
We shouldn't. If I follow the paper, that's pretty much my map. Just gotta put everything back where they belong. That's why I label pretty much all the wires.
Lock nut. Get all the wires inside. Alright. Boom. Alright, now we'll lift this up.
Gotta get comfortable. Use my leverage to hold one side up and pull the other side. That lock nut ain't easy to get on. You gotta shimmy it back and forth until you feel that right spot. I got the channel lock Knipex because you ain't gonna spin that with your hand. And I just got my fingers caught. You ain't gonna spin that with your hand. You're gonna have to use a tool to spin that lock nut.
Inside, right? Boiler's on now. So now we'll start connecting. Kill that. Look.
So we got one conduit connected. So we're gonna connect all those wires from that conduit.
Mosquitoes are attacking me.
Fun fact, I'm allergic to mosquitoes. So when I get bitten up, I swell up in a boiler room.
10.
Almost died.
Terminal 10. Right here.
I feed it through the back. Try to clean it up as much as possible, get it out the way. So I, pretty much tuck it. Try to get it on terminal 10.
Terminal 10. This is 11. Orange 11 goes to 11.
I can tell you where those wires go and what they're doing if I trace it out. But right now, I don't know. I just know that I labeled the wire and I know what terminal it goes to. So hopefully everything matches.
Going to 3. 3
3 yellow, 9 out of 10. That's my starting limits. 3 and 4 are normally my limits. So I know that.
We should start marking these out.
It's good to cross out the ones you already wired up just so you won't get confused.
Black on
That's
12.
what I like to do.
12 black. Which is this one, right? 2 white.
2 white, most likely that's my neutral. So that's
white.
pretty much simple. Sometimes they use stranded, sometimes they use hardwire. I prefer stranded. Depends on the situation.
Fuck. Damn bugs in my ear. Yeah, I gotta get a better screwdriver.
When I say better, I mean like skinnier, smaller. Get into that screw a little bit better.
Light died.
The light just went out.
Oh, the light died. Courtesy of Brian.
Brian left that light on the
We
job.
doing white.
I picked it up.
Lost myself.
Haven't given it back to him yet, so I'm holding it down.
Gotta be 1. Alright, black, 1 top. Alright, black right here. Alright, just right there. Alright.
I would think that black one is the power if it goes
Alright,
to
so
1.
now we got 2 in there. Now we're working on one. All right, so we're working on one.
Yeah, so that sounds like that's the power wire that's powering that whole panel.
Powers everything. Right there. I'm gonna cut this.
The wire was kind of messing with me trying to get it in, so I had to cut it, splice it, redo it to nicely place it inside its terminal.
In the beginning, to get where you want it to go.
See what I'm saying?
Still not-
Got it.
There it goes. There it goes. All right, so we got our one in there. All right, so that's that. But now we're still on the pink. I have another flashlight in here. This one might be dying. I don't got no charger for this here.
So I know I'm gonna be here for a while, so I might as well start charging
Need a
these
back
flashlights
Didn't even know this one was on.
just in case they start dying, because I think Brian's flashlight just died.
We got new light. We did finish one, so now we got to focus on these right here. Still part of the pink, right? So here's my pen.
Those damn bugs, man.
There you go. Got his ass. So that means this thing is yellow, and one of them is 4. Bring this one to the bottom. Let's trace it back here.
Now I'm starting to bring the other wires from the other side.
And this goes to 4 bottom.
That's the way it was going.
Alright. This is going to go to 4 bottom.
Since it's going to 4 bottom, that tells me that's part of the limits as well.
18. And this is 18. This would be the 24, but I don't think this is it. This must be a different 24 pink. Yeah. Alright. Get in there now. Figure this shit out.
Don't forget to watch part 2 and find out if I actually get this boiler started or did I miss something.